Good afternoon to all of you. This is Ranjan joining you from the Smart Finance. In this particular presentation, I am going to describe the Nifty top and bottom calculation using the monthly data and VIX. So these two things I will be using. So I will request all of you to view this video till the end. And if you have any query, you can either WhatsApp me or you can send me the email, and you can find out the WhatsApp number which I have circled here. So this will be our WhatsApp number. If you have any query regarding this particular subject, you can very well send me the WhatsApp. What are the informations I required for the calculation of this top and bottom? So what I have taken here, you can see here I have taken the weeks 1st October to 21st October. So only the closing basis VIX I required. So VIX is having one open, high, low, close values. So from this data, if you can see 22.92, this one was the closing high of the VIX. And in this entire month, 18.35 was the closing low of the VIX. So these two data points are required. Same way, I required the Nifty spot closing high and closing low for the month of October. So if I just circle these two data, so here 11,417, the closing low of the Nifty, and here you can say 11,971 is the closing high of the Nifty for the month of October. Same way you have seen the VIX also. So these data points I required, and these data points are required for my calculation. And I will be using the Fibonacci ratio here. So my ratio for the top and bottom calculations will be starting from the Fibonacci growth ratios 1.272 till 4.236. Same way, if any reversal happens, then the reversal calculations are also meaningful. So these two data points I required, as I told to you, highest VIX and highest price point, lowest VIX and lowest price point. Question comes, how you will get this data? How you will get these data points? That is very important. So if you just search here the historic VIX, if you just do one small Google search here, you will land in the NSE site. So here you just give one search here, the 1st October to the 22nd October, and you will get the data points here. You can download it. Same way, you can just historic index values also you can download. So this is the process of getting the data, and now we are going to calculate the things. So based on this VIX and price, we are going to calculate the monthly VIX, because this is the monthly data. We require the monthly VIX. Then we can proceed for the other calculation. So for that, we require to divide this value by square root of 30. This will give us the monthly VIX. Monthly price range. So what are the prices there? We will be multiplying the monthly VIX and got the monthly price range. This price range need to be multiplied with all Fibonacci ratios 1.272, 1.618 and all. So you will get all the price range, and from high 11,971 we have to calculate the bottom. So based on the October 2020 high. So till 22nd October I have taken, till 22nd October I have considered, and based on this 22nd October closing highs, based on the closing prices also we have taken. So maybe days high will be different, days low will be different. So but we are taking the closing basis, what is the high and what is the low. So here we got 11,971 was the closing basis high, and we got 11,417 as the closing basis low. So based on these two data points, I am calculating the bottoms and top. So this is the bottom. If I consider 11,971, these are the bottoms. Same way, if I consider the top calculation, same process I will follow. Same process I will follow. VIX low 18.35, Nifty low 11,417, and monthly VIX price range. I'll be adding those values to get major top and medium tops. So based on these values, if I can consider, so these are my tops: 11,799, 11,903, 12,036, 12,182, and this part I colored. This is the most important points from where the reversal is expected. So, however, if I just go to the data, if I just go and look into the data part here, I'm finding out if the high basis I can see the Nifty here, 971 it has formed. Then you can just go for the highest point what it has given. All the highest point pointing to 12,025. Just 10 point you have lacked from the top, which we have calculated here. 12,036 should be our top. However, we have achieved till 12,025. So if I consider this 12,036 is the top, intermediate top which is formed, and from there I can, if I calculate the reversals, so these are the reversals. So how you will calculate the reversals? So same price range will be taken. So same price range will be taken what we have calculated here, 382 points. It should be multiplied with the lower Fibonacci ratios. So then it must be subtracted from this 12,036, which is the calculated top, which is not the actual top. Calculated top is 12,036. Nifty has hit 12,025. So if I can subtract those values, I'll be getting these are the reversal points. Top is formed, price has fallen, that is the top reversal, means downtrend. So if I compare this downtrend price points which has happened after forming this 11,971, I do repeat again here, after forming 11,971, 11,971 has formed on 14th of October. 11,971 formed on 14th of October. Next day, Nifty has fallen. It has gone to 11,661 low, 668 low, 776 low. So post 11,971, these are the lowest point Nifty has triggered. If I can compare with my calculations for this reversal, you can find it out here. So we have come to the level of 735, 696. Just below these things points we have come. So 735, 696, this was the level. So it has 661, 668. So 20-30 point below it has gone. But closing basis it has maintained that 680 here, 762 here. So yesterday also it has gone to 21st October, it has gone to 11,776 here. So 11,776 here. So you can see that these are the three values which has hold good in the closing basis in the Nifty, which has formed a major top. From there reversal happens, and post reversal we are into the consolidation band. So from now onwards, what do we expect? What we expect after this? So these are the things what has happened. So what we expect now, what was our expectations after these formations? So whatever you have seen here, this has already happened. So what we are expecting now onwards, from 22nd plus 22nd October, advance 22nd October, 23rd, 24th, 25th, so onwards what we are expecting. That is very important. That is very, very important. So we need to look into the factor of 11,945. So here reversal happened. Reversal has gone into the 11,945. Below that it has. So now onwards, what we are expecting? If the Nifty manages to close above 11,946, I do repeat here, if the Nifty manages to close above 11,946, then it has all probability to create a major top, which may be the newer than this. So, which may be bigger than 12,036, because this is the top is formed, and from here the correction started. So if the reversal also attended, and if the reversal is again getting retraced back, completely retraced back, then we can expect a major top which will be higher than 12,035, and the same level of our 12,183 and 419 will play a vital role for the major top again. However, if this value is closing basis, you are encountering Nifty spot is closing above 11,946, then you may expect a top bigger than 12,036, maybe 12,182 also, or 12,109 also. So one new top may form. So by this, so if that kind of thing happened, you may think of buying the Nifty along with one put option hedge. So that will be the good idea to trade on these levels. So this is the top and bottom calculations for the Nifty, and I will request, and I have one more information to share with you. I will request, please do share this recording with your friends, and we are scheduled for one webinar. We are scheduled from webinar on pair trade. Hardly some 9 seats are vacant here. So 25th October it is starting, and this is a pure pair trade techniques, 4 different method of pair trade we are explaining here, and you will be getting exclusive access to our pair trade software for a period of 3 months. For 1 quarter, we are going to give you our pair trade software to use. So this particular program is currently priced at 1,000 rupees plus tax. If you are interested, you can register. Only 9 seats are vacant, and 25th we are starting this session. So you will be learning the pair trade technique, excellent technique for the money management, and these pair trade techniques are the wonderful techniques to make money in the stock market. So if you are convinced with that, do join this program, and also do invite to join this program. Thank you very much. Thank you for your